Yellowstone Supervolcano could explode with devastating hydrothermal eruption. The Yellowstone Supervolcano could be set for a devastating hydrothermal eruption, a leading scientist has warned. Yellowstone is a hotspot for hydrothermal activity, and such an eruption could leave a mile-wide crater and would be extremely harmful to any life. U.S. Geological Survey's Cascades Volcano Observatory geophysicist Dr. Michael Pollan insists this type of explosion poses more of a risk than any other eruption. A hydrothermal eruption happens when an underground reservoir of water is heated by the volcano and violently explodes like a giant geyser. Large rocks, boiling water and ash are thrown into the air, and a similar event left a 1.5-mile crater in Yellowstone 13,000 years ago. Hydrothermal explosions happen regularly at the park, leaving craters of a few meters across, but a much bigger event could happen, Dr. Pollan warned. He told the Daily Star Online, "Most hydrothermal explosions are very small. Those are not uncommon. These would affect anyone standing within a few meters because it throws rocks up into the air and scalding water. But here are some bigger craters that are a few hundred meters in diameter, so this attests to a very large volume of water. A much bigger area would be hit, and more life would be destroyed than with any other type of volcanic eruption." Dr. Pollan said. The direct area of the crater would be devastated, and some of the deposits from the explosion would be found a few kilometers from the source crater. As you move farther away, the impact will lessen. So if you're within a few kilometers, you would definitely be subject to these impacts, ballistic, basically large rocks that are flying through the air, and little surges of ash that would be extraordinarily harmful to any life. Yellowstone is thought to be long overdue for a cataclysmic supereruption. The danger posed by an event like this is so significant that it has led to NASA proposing a bold plan. The risky solution proposed would see the space agency drill into the volcano to release the heat. Some fear the plan could backfire and cause an eruption and nuclear winter, widening much of the life on Earth.